Get ready to transform your security game with the AOSU solar cameras. This is safety redefined. For powerful cameras paired with a state-of-the-art base create an unstoppable force of protection. Installation couldn't be simpler. Imagine drilling just a few holes and having secure surveillance within minutes, all without needing to call in a pro. Enjoy the benefits of local storage without surprise bills. Our home base captures every action for 60 days with 32 gigabytes of secure footage that puts you in control, always. Take total command of your monitoring. Our system allows you to view up to 4 camera feeds simultaneously, so missing that important detail is a thing of the past. Harness the power of the sun. Just a couple hours of daylight keeps your cameras running non-stop, so you'll never have to worry about changing batteries or finding chargers. Get ready for a visual experience. With our 2K FHD technology, you'll enjoy ultra-clear, vibrant imagery day or night. Nothing can escape your watchful eye. Stay one step ahead with instant notifications. Catch what's happening outside your door with alerts sent straight to your smartphone, so you're always in the loop.